If half of your Vizio TV screen has suddenly gone black or noticeably darker, you're not dealing with a rare issue. In this video, we'll break down exactly what half-screen black means, why it happens, and which fixes actually work. These are the common causes of this. Number 1. Backlight failure. The most common reason a Vizio TV has half of the screen black is a failed LED backlight strip. Vizio TVs use multiple LED strips behind the screen to evenly light the picture. If one strip or a group of LEDs fails, the section they control goes dark. The image may still be there, but without light behind it, it appears black. Number 2. T-Con board or ribbon cable issues. Another frequent cause is a problem with the T-Con board, also known as the timing control board. This board sends image data to different sections of the screen. If the T-Con board is failing, or if its ribbon cables are loose or damaged, half of the panel may stop receiving a proper signal. This can cause one side of the screen to go black, freeze, or display distorted colors. Number 3. Software glitches and picture settings. Sometimes the issue is not hardware at all. Software bugs, memory glitches, or incorrect picture settings can cause uneven brightness or black sections. Features like adaptive luma, ambient light sensor, or dynamic contrast can mistakenly dim part of the screen based on lighting conditions. This is more likely if the problem appears suddenly after a settings change, update, or power outage. Number 4. Input or app-specific problems. If the half-black screen only appears when using a specific HDMI device or streaming app, the TV itself may not be the problem. A faulty HDMI cable, bad video output from a device, or a bug in a streaming app can create display issues that look like panel failure. If the problem disappears when switching inputs or apps, the source device is likely responsible. Try these steps to fix your Vizio TV. Step 1. Power cycle fix. One of the simplest and most effective fixes is a full power cycle. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the wall, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Leave the TV unplugged for 20 to 30 minutes before plugging it back in. This drains residual power and clears temporary memory glitches that can affect the display. Step 2. Reset picture settings. If power cycling doesn't help, resetting the picture settings is the next step. Go into the TV menu, open the picture settings, and reset the picture mode to default. After that, turn off features like adaptive luma, ambient light sensor, and dynamic contrast. These features can sometimes cause uneven brightness or dark areas that look like hardware failure. If none of the basic fixes work, the issue is likely hardware related. These repairs can be done by experienced users, but are risky and may cost more than the TV is worth on older models.